Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. Today we are testing the viral collagen mask that has taken TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by storm. This is the BioDance Collagen mask, and honestly, you can't log on to any of your socials without seeing a content creator, celebrity, or influencer hyping this product up and saying how amazing it is. Currently, this is reported to be the world's best-selling skincare product. Of course, I have an intense fear of missing out. So of course I had to buy it, try it, and put it through its paces for you guys. Now, one thing I will notice about a lot of the mentions this product gets, they're usually in paid partnership with that influencer or content creator. That doesn't mean that those views are invalid. However, I definitely think there's a gap in the market for a truly unbiased, unsponsored review of this product, which hopefully is what I'll be able to bring you today. We're going to try it and I'm going to share all my feelings with you at the end. So sit back, relax, let's review the viral collagen mask. Now, before we get into today's video, you will notice that this is a little departure from the usual content that I film here, but I'm trying to mix it up recently and try out some new videos and styles. One thing that I really want to do more of is to take super viral, popular, and heavily sponsored products and strip it back. Do an unbiased, sponsorship-free review of those products so that you guys know exactly whether it's worth a place in your skincare routine. If you want to see more content like this, let me know by reaching down and giving the video a big thumbs up and a like. This supports me so much as a content creator, so from the bottom of my heart, love to each and every one of you. I'd love to know as well, wait till the end of the video where we do the results, the reveal, and all of that. But after you've watched that, let me know, is this a product that you're going to try and buy, or do you think it's all hype? If you're going to put it through its paces and try it, leave the heart emoji in the comments section below to let me know. If you think it's all hype, no substance, leave the cross emoji, so that way we can kind of do a summary and know what the Mad About Skin community really think of this product. Now, I think it's time we get into this review and get this product on my skin. So let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So I bought this one with my own hard-earned coin, and I think I paid around £19 for it. And for that, I got 4 masks. So you're looking at something in the region of £4.50 or whatever the dollar equivalent is per mask. Not the cheapest product out there, but also not super expensive either. And this is unusual for masks. Normally a sheet mask you'll leave on for 20 minutes, you'll peel it off, throw it in the bin. Not with this one. This is designed to be on the skin a lot longer. It actually goes on like a milky colour apparently and then turns transparent as all that goodness is absorbed into the skin. This is innovative, it's something different, it's also visually quite appealing because you can kind of see it working. So I do get why this is viral and definitely Instagrammable. But you decide to leave this on the skin for 3 or 4 hours, and I have heard some people even sleeping in this so they can peel it off for the best good skin day in the morning. I'm not going to be doing that. We're going to stick to the 3 hours, see exactly what we can achieve from it in just that 3-hour period. If you look at the ingredients, it's pretty decent. Actually, you've got some galactomyces ferment, which is great at boosting the glow of the skin, fading hyperpigmentation. You've got collagen as that key ingredient, which is going to deeply nourish and hydrate. Fantastic for plumping out the skin, giving that immediate anti-aging look, and a little bit of juiciness and bounce to the skin too. You've got a dose of niacinamide, which is going to help with oil control and evening out the skin tone. And you've got a really nice blend of different antioxidants too. I'd actually say, as ingredients go on sheet masks, this is a fairly decent one just looking at the ingredients list alone. However, it's only good if it delivers results, and that's what we're all here for. So let's give it a try. Now, I haven't actually tried this at all. As you can see, there's 3 pouches there. This is the 4th one. So we're going to open this and explore it together. The instructions say that you should actually use this at the end of your skincare routine. So do all your skincare and then slap this on the face because it's going to help the rest of your skincare penetrate that a little bit better. That kind of makes sense, but honestly, I'm not going to do that. I cleanse the skin and I put on just a toner to kind of keep things fresh, and then I'm going to go in with this. That way we can kind of see exactly what benefits this specific product is going to deliver versus the other skincare that I might already have on my skin. But whether you use this on clean skin or use it at the end of your skincare routine, I think is kind of up to you. They say to be gentle with it because apparently it is a little bit on the delicate side, and it comes in 2 halves. You get a bottom half and a top half, which personally I quite like because I never find that sheet masks particularly fit me that well. I think, often some of us might have bigger faces. I've got a lot of face, let's put it that way. And so they don't always fit that well. This, I think, I've got high hopes, will fit that a little bit better. So if you see how it comes with like a plastic sheet over the top, and then you sort of unpeel it. As with all these masks, they are a little bit on the tricky side, and there's going to be an element of kind of like get with it and hope for the best. Now, this is the bottom half. Sorry for me looking down. This is the bottom half, which obviously has the space for the mouth. So let's put this on first. Oh, it's like a cool jelly. Let's see. They say that it's quite malleable, so you can actually play around with it and see. Now, that actually fits to perfection. That's really nice. Maybe it could do with coming out a little bit more here, maybe, if I was being super picky, but it does actually fit really nicely. Now, I would be careful. If you see, my nail's gone through it there. So be careful when you apply it, because it is super, super gentle. That's not going to make the blindest bit of difference, but just a word of warning. And then for the rest, I'm going to take my glasses off and put the top thing. This is where it all goes wrong for me. Now, you do get some separate little eye ones as well if you want to cover your eyes. I am not doing that. We're not into that. So let's see. This is where it could go hideously wrong. And for doing this live on camera, I think I'm an idiot. Let's see if I can get this to work. Actually, that's not too bad. Once doing it in the mirror, I think this will be a lot easier. That's not bad at all. Now, this bit here did tear. So again, I think being super gentle with it is crucial, but you can just sort of try it into place. And as long as everything's covered, I think this is absolutely fine. And again, I don't know whether that was a tear or whether those were actually designed to be like that, but that's absolutely fine. It does help it fit really well. And I would say, as terrifying as that looks, I can deal with this. It fits well on the nose. I think these bits, rather than actually tearing, I think this is designed to kind of come apart to help you fit it all on. And there we are. That's the Viral Collagen Mask on. Initial thoughts, it's not heavily fragranced, which I appreciate, because if I'm going to keep this on for a couple of hours, I really don't want it smelling too pungent. I like the fact that it fits. It actually feels really good. It's already started to dry down, so it actually feels really, really good on the skin. And I like the fact that you get the chance to kind of move it around a bit. You can shape it into place as long as you're super, super gentle. That's absolutely possible. And I think after I've gone off camera, I might just touch it up in the mirror just to make sure it fits perfectly. But yeah, it feels comfortable. I feel like I can get on with the rest of my day. And the key thing is, can I put my glasses on over it? Yes. Now that's terrifying. That is absolutely terrifying. This is like a Halloween edit, isn't it? But it absolutely works. And yeah, so far. So check back in. I'm going to go away, do some admin, do some bits, and then I'm going to come back to you guys in 3 hours time so we can do the reveal and I'll let you know what I think. See you in a bit. And I'm back. 3 hours later, and this is what the mask looks like. Now, the areas that are completely translucent, like on the chin here, that means that all that product has been absorbed into the skin and is getting to work to deliver amazing benefits. The areas that are still slightly milky in coloration, honestly, I could have probably left this mask on an additional hour to get some extra benefit. But I've got some other filming to do, some errands to run. So 3 hours was the max for me. But I'd say at home, if you were doing it and you had the time, probably 4 hours would be optimum for the very best results. Good thing is though, for the 3 hours that I've had this on, I barely noticed that it was on the skin. You can talk quite freely with it. I had to reposition it ever so slightly in the mirror to get it all right, but after about 2 minutes, it starts to dry down and any slimy stickiness disappears and it doesn't budge. It's literally like frozen in place, which is great. Meaning it's super convenient. Actually, I think if I wasn't more careful, I would have run the risk of going out looking like this because it really doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. Initially, it had a nice cooling sensation, but there was no discomfort, no prickling or anything. And now it just feels like nothing. So we're going to remove it. We're going to have a look at the results. Is this going to give me like the glass skin of my dreams that everyone else is promising online? Or is it just all hype? Let's have a look. So in terms of removing it, super simple. A lot easier to remove it than it is to apply it. That's the bottom piece there. And then we'll get the top piece off too. Like I said, I did have to readjust it slightly because I was aware that maybe I didn't do as good a job in the mirror as I could have done. So I readjusted and this is what the skin looks like afterwards. Honestly, it feels great. Super hydrated. There's nothing on the skin, like, you know, sometimes when you take a sheet mask off, the skin feels slimy and like there's a lot of products on. Not at all. This seems to have just been absorbed straight into the skin, which is great. Those areas where it went completely translucent are definitely a little bit glowier than the areas where maybe I should have left it on a little bit longer. So we'll call that out, but that's not the mask's fault. That's my own impatience. I would say after 3 hours, yeah, I feel great. The skin definitely feels a little firmer, definitely feels plumper, and yeah, I can definitely notice the glow. I am very, very impressed. I think in terms of the product, like I say, with these things that you can see, there was still some product left to go. So if you leave this on for 4 hours, I think you're going to get some next level results. Really, really impressed. Now, some people I see sleeping in these. I don't think you could actually sleep in them. I think they're too delicate. I think by the time that you wake up, it'll be all over the place. I don't think sleeping in it is going to be an option. Some people use them while they're on planes, which absolutely you could do if you're feeling extra bougie and you want to land with that like glow up. Or you could just do it like me, put it on for 3 hours and then know that you're kind of going to have a guaranteed good skin day at the end of it. I've been really, really impressed. I'm going to keep these and I'm going to use them for those days where I need a little pick-me-up. Maybe I'm, doing some extra filming or something and I want to look like, I want to look my skin best. I'm going to keep these on hand. But yeah, I think for like the £4 per unit that I paid for them, 100% ding, 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 10 out of 10 would recommend. Yeah. Online, you'll see the influencer community generally singing its praises in what I would say is like a sponsored way. Lots of paid partnerships and sponsorships with these products. So I want to take the time today to put it through its paces in a completely unbiased, sponsorship-free way. And I'm here to say, honestly, I think it's worthy of the hype. What can you guys... Let me know in the comments. Can you guys see the difference with like the before and the after? My skin feels plump, it feels alive, it feels bouncy. It's so good. The only things that I would change maybe about it is I wish they did like a larger version so I could have taken it right to the corners here. I missed out a little bit on this area. And I would say definitely apply it, rather than in front of a camera like now, apply it in front of the mirror because you get like a 2-minute window to adjust everything after you've applied it before it starts to then kind of set and it's in place. So just take your time to apply it properly and smooth it out because that's going to get you the very best results. But yeah, 10 out of 10, totally would recommend. I linked where I bought it in the description box below if you wanted to get your hands on it. I've left a couple of other links too, so you can shop around for the cheapest price, or whatever's more convenient to you. But yeah, let me know. Are you going to give this one a go? I am so impressed. Anyway, wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.